Why do some birds build nests in strange places? You've probably seen birds building nests in the most unusual spots. But why? Some birds build their nests in strange places to stay safe. High up on a building, or even in a car's side mirror, birds are avoiding predators like squirrels and raccoons. These birds are incredibly resourceful, adapting to urban environments where traditional trees might be scarce. The more hidden, the safer the nest. Want to discover more about animal behaviors? Subscribe to Fizzy Frenzy TV and let's explore the wild together.